All right, hey everybody, it's Luther Wilson III here on another video recording in the studio. Today is Monday, July 8th, 2024. Yep, I got it right this time. And as a lot of you know, I'm a real estate investor, real estate broker here in the Kansas City market, representing for Upside Property Services and Upside Capital. Over the last 13 years, I've been working closely with real estate investors, helping them find deals, helping them execute on projects, helping them source and secure financing. I used to do property management as well. And over the last 5 years, I've been more intentional, more serious about sourcing capital and partnering with capital investors to grow a portfolio. And things have really shifted over the last couple years. We're in the second half of 2024. Transaction volume has gone down. Prices, cost of living, inflation, we're dealing with, those things as well. And it's forced us real estate professionals and investors to switch gears and pivot pretty hard and figure out what's working and how we can continue to move forward, doing deals, growing our portfolios and serving our clients, all right? And so the biggest thing that I've done, or the main thing that I've done over the last several years, is helping investors with long-term buy and hold cash flow investments, all right? Our specialty and where we've seen the most success is with B-class single-family homes in and around Kansas City. And we've done some C-class single-family homes as well. Most of the investors that I work with, most of the transactions that I've done and been a part of have been for the long term. That's where we've seen the most success. And so now it's become a lot more challenging, still doable, but a lot harder to find deeply discounted, distressed type properties that most investors want, all right? Most investors, when they think of investing, most people, when you think of real estate investing, think of buying a home, fixing it up, reselling it, okay? That's one thing that most people think of. The other is you buy a house, it may be ready to go, it may require some light repairs or full-on rehab. You do that, then you rent it out. That's the other thing. And so now it's to the point where if someone is wanting to do short-term transactions, I'm going to be very reluctant to assist them. I might even try to talk them out of it because I really don't see it being as good a way of investing, okay? I'm really pushing for long-term buy and hold cash flow investments, again, in and around Kansas City. B-class single-family homes, that's where I'm seeing still to this day some pretty amazing opportunities, okay? One thing that we do different is we offer home ownership. We promote seller financing. We transact in different ways of doing seller financing. There's lease option, there's contract for deed. Most of what we've done has been contract for deed, okay? And that's where I see some opportunities today. And it's a different ballgame now, okay? With the cost of housing gone up, with the cost of materials and labor going up, and the spreads, the margins overall has gotten squeezed. We're looking at, or we're utilizing opportunities to purchase properties using long-term debt on houses that are livable, okay? My sweet spot, my client's sweet spot has been, again, B-class. Depends on what you consider it. You have to look at your specific market, wherever you're planning to invest, wherever you're currently invested, wherever you're operating. Look at your market based on, number of factors. You got to find out what your sweet spot is going to be. For the Kansas City market, we're seeing the best success in Independence, Raytown, South KCMO, Gladstone, certain parts of KCK, And we will go higher if the numbers make sense. We might go lower if the numbers make sense and if the opportunity is sweet, okay? But all along the way, big thing for me, and I try to express this to my colleagues who are trying to invest or, growing their portfolios, and definitely my clients and my partners, especially now, is moving forward, making sure that we have reserves, keeping your powder dry, mitigating risk, limiting exposure, okay? How can we do that? There's a number of ways to do that. Again, we're looking at houses that are ready to go or don't necessarily need as much in the way of repairs or upgrades. And we're looking at using long-term debt. Non-QM loans is where we've been able to, secure financing. 30-year fixed rate mortgages all day long is the gold standard for most of us. That's what we're pushing. So if that's something that you're considering, if you want to learn more about me and what we're up to, follow me on Instagram. I'm active on Facebook as well as LinkedIn. This will be my third or fourth video recording that I'm going to upload to my YouTube channel. It's Luther, the number 3 RE, or Luther 935. Connect with me. I'm pretty open book for the most part. Try to give out, some free game. Try to drop gems every week on social media with the hopes of being able to encourage people. I want to be able to educate and inspire and hopefully collaborate with some of you. And going forward, keep me in mind if you're looking to place capital, all right, for those types of investments, those single family homes, B-class areas in and around Kansas City. I tell people to be on the safe side. You could do it with less capital, but you might end up needing a good $60,000 to $80,000 liquid to be able to get in efficiently, do what needs to be done, and then get to the cash flow from there. So again, keep me in mind. Luther Wilson III, Upside Property Services, signing off. Peace, y'all.